Hello and welcome to the Rebel Chicken in the Jewellery Quarter in Birmingham, which has had the dubious pleasure of employing my son Cameron over the course of the summer while he's been living with me. Cameron, say hello to the camera. Get back to work. Today I'm going to be talking about beer gardens, which from my point of view appear to be an increasing source of focus for regulatory authorities who enforce the licensing regime. Certainly that focus has been further accentuated in recent years as the smoking ban has displaced a lot of issues that otherwise would be inside the premises to outside. Issues in association with noise in relation to beer gardens tend to fall into one of two main categories. Firstly, in relation to amplified music, which may or may not constitute regulated entertainment under the Licensing Act and the Live Music Act, and you would need to take specific legal advice in relation to your premises regarding that, but also in relation to simply noise from individuals who are talking in the beer garden frequently, smoking there, which can cause some form of nuisance, be it public or statutory or possibly both, for residents who live nearby to the licensed premises. And my strong advice to anybody facing proceedings under that Act, or review proceedings, or even complaints around noise in relation to their beer garden, is to try and engage both with the residents and the appropriate responsible authorities at the earliest possible opportunity. Often these issues can be resolved by way of a minor variation to the premises licence, or even an undertaking to operate the business in a slightly different way, which can sometimes and frequently does head off a review application or noise abatement proceedings at the pass. One feature that's frequently pointed out to me by clients is that they've been there, or the premises has been there, much longer than the residents in question. Unfortunately, I'm afraid it's never quite as simple as that. Certainly based on my experience in recent years, both local residents and environmental health departments at local authorities are both being much more proactive and robust around noise issues emanating from beer gardens, and licence holders need to be aware of that and respond accordingly.